Have you ever noticed this? You're sitting in a room and someone lets out a giant yawn. And even if you're not tired at all, you suddenly find yourself yawning too. It's actually not because you're sleepy. The real culprit is a group of brain cells called mirror neurons. These brain cells act like tiny copycats. When they see someone else smile, laugh, or yawn, they instantly mirror that exact action inside your own mind. Did this video just make you yawn right now? Let me know in the comments.